Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing well. And I wanted to take this opportunity to share some of the things that we have been working on in the first quarter of the year and also think about some of the projects that we can work on going forward. So, as a team, we have been spending a lot of time using many of the new decentralized finance and on chain products and learning what really is currently the state of art in terms of products and user experience and possible strategies that are available in all of DeFi. A couple of things I'll mention specifically. I think right now, when we look at many of the products, I think it's fair to say for a new user, it would be not very easy to navigate and understand the possible options and strategies using just some of the existing user interfaces. So we are going much deeper and looking at other on-chain data and the analytics and tools that are able to give us accurate and realistic information about many of the products that we ourselves want to have in order to make decisions about which products they engage with and how to optimize strategies for things like earning yield. And in addition to the analytics, we've been trying out not just individual products, but also looking at and working with many of the tools that are aggregators or portfolio managers to think about what are the specific features that we ourselves would want to use and perhaps are missing from the current ecosystem that we want to develop and use ourselves, and also be able to provide that to the broader ecosystem so that we can make it easier to bring on more users for using these products. So in particular, we have looked at a full range of the products that cover things like stablecoin lending, yield on stable assets, also Bitcoin, and also many of the new products and projects that are able to generate revenues or fees that then they give to the token holders. So that model allows these products to be much more sustainable and can help grow the ecosystem as well. Additionally, a couple of things that I want to mention is we are also looking at products like derivatives that may allow you to isolate yields so that users can earn a very stable yield, a relatively stable yield, without having to think too much about different underlying assets that they're holding. So these are some of the, I would say, innovations or products that have come out in the recent times. And we're also looking into what are the tools, as I mentioned before, for things like auto rebalancing or orderly rebalancing that in some ways do not exist in a way that we ourselves find it easy to use. So I think there are many opportunities still remaining to bring much more clarity to the entire DeFi space and to reduce some of the frictions that we've experienced, both for onboarding and to continue to maintain your positions in liquidity pools and other products, that you can really engage with these products in a way that feels durable, sustainable, and protects your assets. Also, our team spent a good amount of time engaging the community and both a lot of our old friends and some of the new builders at the ETH San Francisco Week events and the Stanford Blockchain AI conference that happened just this month. So it was a lot of fun to meet some of the builders in the space, of course, and many of the old friends, and connecting with them to talk about and learn from them what are the latest innovation. So in summary, I would say that we're still very early for the entire industry, and it's very encouraging to see many of the new products that are available, but also at the same time understand the opportunity to really optimize a lot of the existing products in the ecosystem And as I mentioned, to reduce the friction, bring more clarity, both on understanding the analytics and the data behind some of these products, as well as developing a user experience that will allow many more users to understand and engage and use these products in a way that is clear, simple, and safe for them. So again, we look forward to sharing more about everything that we're learning and developing, and looking forward to growing the ecosystem with you together. Thank you.